Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you these delicious vegan granola bars. So these are really easy to make and they're so good. So you want to start with 3/4 a cup of maple syrup and just dump it into a pot because we're going to heat up this mixture right here and add in 1 cup of peanut butter. So then you just want to measure out 3 cups of oatmeal and just leave that off to the side because you're going to want it ready. So this is the mixture of the peanut butter and the maple syrup, and I'm just mixing that around a little bit. And then you want to throw it on the stove and heat it up slowly. You don't want to cook it too fast because it would burn very quickly. And make sure that you keep on constantly stirring it so that it won't burn. So once it's heated up and it gets runny, you can take it off the stove and dump in your oatmeal. So then just mix that all together and make sure that it's mixed really good because you don't want certain parts that aren't covered. So then add in 1/2 cup of hemp seeds and 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. You can add other nuts if you don't have those ones, and then mix again. So I'd suggest using cashews, walnuts, anything honestly would be good in there. So then I have this baking sheet and I put some parchment paper in it and then dumped the entire mixture in, and you just want to press down on the mixture so that it'll stay nice in a granola bar form after it's done. So you just want to really press down on it so that it holds its shape and doesn't fall apart when you're eating it. So then you just want to take 1.5 to 2 cups of vegan chocolate and melt that in the microwave with about 1 teaspoon of vegan margarine. So just throw that in there, melt it, and then dump it on top of your mixture and spread it all evenly across your granola bar mixture, and then top it with some hemp seeds and sunflower seeds or whatever you want. So then after that, I just put it in the freezer for about half an hour to cool down. I like mine cold, so yeah, I always store mine in the freezer, but you don't have to. As long as the chocolate becomes solid again, it's all good and you can cut it up and eat it. All right, hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.